Welcome to A Car Chaser. Today we're diving into one of the most extraordinary custom cars out there, a true automotive masterpiece. We're talking about the 1960 Cadillac Custom Roadster. This isn't just any classic car. It's a stunning reimagining of an already iconic vehicle, blending vintage elegance with modern customization. If you're a car enthusiast, you're going to love this. Let's get into it. The 1960 Cadillac was already a standout, known for its bold tail fins, sharp lines, and luxurious styling. But when you take a legendary car like this and add custom modifications, you end up with something truly jaw-dropping. The Custom Roadster takes all the best features of the original Cadillac and amplifies them to create a car that commands attention from every angle. Let's start with the exterior design, because this car doesn't just drive, it makes a statement. The sleek body, flowing lines, and elongated curves make it look like it's gliding even when it's standing still. But the most striking feature is, of course, those tail fins. While the original 1960 Cadillac was already famous for them, the Custom Roadster takes it up a notch, exaggerating them for a more dramatic and futuristic look. The result? A car that looks like it's from another era, one where style and innovation reign supreme. But it's not just about the fins. The body itself is a work of art. Every detail, from the smooth, sculpted sides to the aggressive front grille, has been designed with precision. The custom chrome accents shine under the sun, giving the car a polished, high-end look that you can't miss. Whether you're seeing it on the road or up close, the 1960 Cadillac Custom Roadster is a car that demands attention and admiration. Now let's talk about the interior. Step inside this beauty, and it's like you've entered another world, one where luxury and craftsmanship are at the forefront. The plush leather seats, the fine wood paneling, and the meticulous stitching on the upholstery are just the beginning. The dashboard is a true masterpiece, blending vintage Cadillac charm with modern touches. You'll find Art Deco-inspired gauges, sleek chrome details, and high-end materials throughout. Everything feels perfectly balanced between old-world class and modern luxury. But what's a custom car without some serious power under the hood? The 1960 Cadillac Custom Roadster doesn't just look amazing. It performs like a dream. Underneath its elegant exterior, this custom beauty houses a powerful V8 engine that delivers smooth acceleration and a satisfying rumble. The driving experience is as thrilling as it is comfortable, whether you're cruising down the highway or taking a slow, scenic drive through the countryside. It's all about that perfect blend of power and smoothness, and this Cadillac nails it. Of course, it's the custom touches that make this car so special. The craftsmanship and attention to detail in the restoration and customization of this Roadster are second to none. Every inch of the car, from the handcrafted grille to the tailored stitching in the seats, has been carefully considered. The result is a car that feels timeless, like it was built for a different era but completely relevant today. It's not just a car. It's a piece of art that you can drive. What makes this car even more exciting is the fact that it's a true custom creation. This isn't some mass-produced vehicle. This is a rare, one-of-a-kind custom Roadster that blends the best of both worlds. Cadillac's legendary style with the innovative touches of modern car culture. Whether you're a longtime Cadillac fan or just a lover of fine craftsmanship, there's no denying the beauty and power of this incredible machine. The 1960 Cadillac Custom Roadster represents the pinnacle of classic car customization. It takes a car that was already stunning and elevates it to new heights. From the powerful engine to the luxurious interior and the jaw-dropping exterior design, this car is the perfect blend of performance, style, and craftsmanship. It's a true collector's dream and a symbol of everything that makes classic cars so special. Well, that wraps up our look at the 1960 Cadillac Custom Roadster. If you're as in love with this car as we are, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to A Car Chaser for more incredible car content. We've got plenty more car reviews, deep dives, and amazing machines coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep chasing those amazing cars.